Hi, this is Sandra from Greyd. Greyd.Forms is a powerful form generator for WordPress that is natively integrated in Greyd.Suite. In this video, I am going to show you the setting options for checkboxes. A checkbox can be used, for example, to ask for the user's consent to privacy policies or terms and conditions. After placing the block checkbox in your form, you can now directly define the checkbox style in the editor and go with a regular checkbox style, radio buttons, or also iOS switch. And you will also find different text formatting options up here and can then directly enter the text in the editor, or alternatively select default privacy text here on the right, and the form will then inject automatically your standard privacy text, which you can define in the form settings in the menu on the left. Other than that, you can then again edit the field name for your checkbox to define which information should be submitted in the backend. You can make the field mandatory. Depending on the use case, you can also have the checkbox pre-selected from the beginning. And next, it's about colors, including the possibility to create a hover effect for both the text and the checkbox icon. And here for the icon, you can also create an active color. And down here, it's about the font size. For more videos and information, please visit our Help Center.